Hi guys, I know it's been some time since I've done a product review, but today is not going to be a product review. Today is going to be just an unboxing of my A6400. I'm going to tell you guys why at the end of the video I'm getting this A6400 when I already have the RX100, the AX100E, and my A7 II. So without ado, let's unbox. Okay, so here it is, the A6400. So let's start unboxing. Okay, so we have here a free memory card. It's a 64 gig, good enough to be able to get some good 4K footage. Okay, you have some menus which you won't read. Okay, here we have the wall plug. Okay, different kinds of plugs, okay, depending if you're from the EU or from Asia. Here we have the battery, which is the same as the A7 II. So good for me, I do not need to get new ones and I'm able to use the exact same ones. Here we have the A6400 strap, the eye cup, the charging brick, and some USB ports. Okay, and here we have the A6400. Okay, as you can see, it's really small in profile size, so I'm able to bring it everywhere with me, and it's able to overcome some of the flaws of my RX100V, which I'll mention soon. So let's fit in the battery and let's have a look. So basically, it's quite small in profile size, alright, and it has a touch screen. Alright, I haven't set it up yet, so here are all the controls, but here is how you'll look. So it has a touch screen that is able to film yourself. So let's remove the cap, and yep. So that's it for the basic unboxing. So now I'm going to cover up some of the reasons why I got this camera when I have a few other cameras already. So for a start, I have this A7 II, which For a start, I have this A7 II, which is really good for photos. But unfortunately, it cannot record 4K and it has not very good autofocus system. But for all my shoots, I will still be using this as it has full frame and has very good dynamic range. My second camera is the AX100E. Alright, which I use it majority to record my top-down videos, as you guys can see from this unboxing. This camera is really good, but it's extremely big. So it's not very discreet using it for vlogging, nor is it convenient. But I have to say, this has everything which I want in a camera. It has long recording and it doesn't have a limit to it, and you can put a mic input right on top of here, especially if you have a shotgun mic. Now let's talk about the RX100, which I'm filming it right now. For reference, I'm going to just put it here, alright, so you know which camera I'm talking about. The RX100 is really good, but it has a limit to its recording. It probably overheats about 5 minutes, and it's really irritating when that happens. Second of all, it doesn't have a mic input for it, so I have to record separately on an audio recorder for all my vlogs, which some of you guys might have realized the difference in quality, as some of them I record in shotgun and some of them I use my Tascam to record. Lastly, if you guys notice some of my photo walks, you can see a little bit of a choppy video. Alright, I'll put one here for reference. You can see that as I move, there's this choppy and jumping of frames look, which I do not really like. So with all that I mentioned, that is why I wanted to get this A6400. First of all, it's because of the flip up screen. Alright, I'm able to vlog myself using this, and it's really helpful in cases which I need to see myself, just like the reason I'm using my RX100. Second of all, is that it has a mic input. I've actually got attachment, but it's not here yet. I have ordered it from Small Rig and it allows actually 2 different attachments for my mic. Third of all, I got this is because of its dynamic range. I'm sure you guys have known this is a crop sensor camera, so the sensor located in this is definitely much bigger than my RX100, which is only 1 inch. So with that said, I love all my cameras, and all of them serve a very specific purpose. This one is for photo, so this will be very important for me for long shoots, such as performances for my clients. And last but not least, my RX100, which I'm shooting and which you are looking at the video right here right now. My RX100 serves me really well as it's very small and very discreet. It has also 4K, and I'm able to bring everywhere without creating a fuss. So with that said, I hope you guys like my quick review and my quick unboxing of this A6400. If you guys like photo walks, I'll be churning out more content in time to come. So please like and subscribe. If not, I'll see you in the next video.